Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. You need access to your Facebook account and the password, and a phone or Authenticator app available. Open Facebook, go to Settings and Privacy, then Security and Login. This is where two-factor lives. Once there, choose to add an authentication method now rather than later, because starting immediately reduces lockout risk. Make sure to pause any password managers temporarily while you add the second factor, so the workflow proceeds without interruptions. Now you'll set up the actual second factor. Pick either an Authenticator app for stronger security or SMS if that's more convenient. If you choose an app, open it, scan the QR code Facebook shows, or manually enter the code. The app will generate time-based codes you'll use to log in. If you choose SMS, confirm your phone number and enter the received code to verify. Once set, download or copy backup codes and store them in a secure place for emergency access. Complete the process by testing the new two-factor setup. Log out and sign back in on a different device to confirm codes work as expected. Make sure to add at least one backup option such as trusted contacts or a security key because redundancy prevents getting locked out. If something goes wrong, use the saved backup codes first. If those fail, follow Facebook's account recovery prompts and verify identity. If you still can't access your account, wait for Facebook's response and avoid repeated attempts that could delay recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.